Namaskar, welcome to this channel, and this video continues as second part of PSM. First, National Control Program of Ophthalmia, that is Vision 2020. It includes cataract, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, refractive error, childhood blindness, and corneal ulcer. Cataract is the most common cause of blindness, and refractive error is the most common ocular morbidity. That's the most important MCQ. Safe strategy is for trachoma. S for surgery, A for antibiotics, F for facial cleanliness, and E for environmental protection. And blanket treatment is also used in trachoma. Expanded program of immunization was launched in 1978 to reduce the mortality and morbidity rate of the disease. And it includes 6 diseases, one pertussis, tuberculosis, diphtheria, polio, measles, and tetanus. The EPI plus hepatitis B is also known as Indradhanus. Means in the 6 disease plus hepatitis B is also known as Indradhanus. Neonatal can prevent by 3C, it is clean blood or clean cut, clean surface, and clean hand. The important MCQ: according to National Program for Anemia, a tablet contains 100 mg of iron and 500 mg of folic acid. These are the point source epidemic, that is Bhopal grass tragedy, food poison, Minamata disease, and Chernobyl tragedy. Most common cause of neonatal mortality is low birth weight. Most common cause of post-neonatal mortality is diarrhea and pneumonia. Most common cause of maternal mortality is PPH. The bubonic plague is the most common type of plague. These are the disease which is dead end infection, that is rabies, plague, tetanus, and trichinosis. Then freeze-dried vaccine is BCG, yellow fever, measles, and ring immunization seen in smallpox and measles. The most important part, PQL1, includes literacy rate, IMR, and life expectancy at age 1, whereas HDI includes literacy rate, per capita income, and life expectancy at birth. Same as HPI-1 and HPI-2. HPI-1 is seen in developing countries and HPI-2 is seen in developed countries. HPI-1 in India, that is includes literacy rate, long and healthy life, a decent standard of living, whereas HPI-2 includes literacy rate, long and healthy life, a decent standard of living, and social exclusion. Iceberg phenomenon is the most important part. The rabies, rubella, measles, and tetanus are not showing iceberg phenomenon. Silent epidemic is known as Alzheimer's disease, and modern epidemic is known as coronary artery disease. The ICDS program, it starts in 1975, 2nd October. ICDS program is for preschool child, pregnant and lactating mothers, adolescent girls, women in reproductive age. And the services of ICDS are health checkup, supplementary nutrition, immunization, referral service, nutrition and health education for women, non-formal education. You should remember this ICDS, that's the most important topic. Cold chain equipments, that includes WIC, means walk-in cold rooms, which is located at regional level to store 3 months and to serve 5 districts. Deep freezer supplied to all districts. Then ILR, ice-lined refrigerator. Ice-lined refrigerator is located at PSC and then cold box supplied to all peripheral center. Then vaccine carrier, used to carry small quantity of vaccine, that 16 to 20 vials. Then day carrier. Day carrier used to carry small quantity of vaccine, that's 6 to 8 vials. Then last, ice pack. Apgar score. Apgar score includes heart rate, respiratory rate, muscle tone, reflex response, and color. Fetal tetanus is called as 8A disease. Chronic bronchitis is known as English disease. Whooping cough is known as 100-day disease. Cholera is known as riverine disease. And Chagas disease is known as poverty disease. Ankylostomiasis is known as farmer's disease. Lastly, the most important topic is epidemiology and levels of prevention. You should read levels of prevention, like primary prevention includes what, and secondary and tertiary. And that's why epidemiology is a vast topic. Then you should read from the book that the cohort study, prevalence study, incidence, rate ratio, etc. Thank you for keep watching.